Credential stuffing is when an attacker or a group of attackers take credentials that they've been able to get their hands on, such as usernames and passwords, and they're trying to unlock different services across the internet. So what that means is that they might have millions and millions of usernames and passwords and those exact combinations, and they're trying to see which online services can they access with these credential combinations. So think of it as taking millions and millions of keys and trying to unlock doors. And these doors are sites and services that we use every single day. So it could be your Instagram account, it could be your Facebook account, it could be your login to PayPal. So they're basically just trying to see which combination will unlock these services. So if we back up a little bit, let's think about end users. So we all know that it's really impossible for us to try and remember super long and super complex passwords. And not only that, try and remember hundreds of them. So we don't. So the problem with this is that we tend to reuse passwords purely out of convenience when we're logging into sites and creating new accounts with different companies. So why something like credential stuffing is so successful at taking over accounts is because we reuse passwords. If we did not reuse passwords, credential stuffing would not nearly be as successful.
Check.